to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for peanut butter cake. This is one I have spent a long time developing, so this is finally one that I can be proud enough to present to you. So let's get started.
Plenty of ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of peanut butter, half a cup or 110 milliliters of oil, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk, 6 egg whites. I begin by separating my eggs. We only need the egg whites. Then beat the egg whites to stiff peaks and set them aside. In a separate bowl, combine peanut butter, oil, and sugar. Add vanilla, salt, and baking powder. Add the flour in 3 additions, alternating with the milk in 2. At this point, the batter will be quite thick. And fold in the egg whites. I'm not gonna lie, this is a bit difficult. It took some careful stirring and the thick batter didn't want to combine with the egg whites at first. But keep at it, this is the most important step to get the consistency perfect. And it will eventually come together. Pour the batter into greased and lined baking pans. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The first thing I noticed about the cake after removing it from the pan is that it's neither sticky nor greasy. It's really an ideal consistency for cake. I level the cake and you can see how light and fluffy it is. After trying dozens of recipes for peanut butter cake, every one was either too greasy, too heavy, too crumbly, or too dry. But this one is none of those things. I am very excited about it. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.